In ArmoníaPlus, it is possible to mute individual amplifier channels, loudspeakers, or entire groups of loudspeakers and amplifiers. For example, if we go under Tune and Mute, and then click on Unmuted under a speaker group, we can see that it will turn into Muted with a red background. The blinking red in the loudspeakers highlights that this is a group mute. We can revert this operating by clicking on Muted again, and this time we will select one single loudspeaker. We can select to mute it from the Properties pane, and this time the speaker will be displayed in red, but will not blink, meaning that this is a direct speaker mute. If we mute the entire group, we can see that the speaker will still prioritize its direct mute and will not start blinking. ArmoníaPlus will use this information to keep that one speaker in mute, even when we unmute the entire group. Now let's unmute the speaker for a second, and let's check how we can apply a hard mute in order to mute the actual outputs of the amplifiers. Let's select both left and right array groups at the same time, and now here in the Properties pane, we can apply a hard mute to the individual amplifier output channels and speaker lines, either the low frequency lines or the high frequency lines, or even both at the same time. Finally, we also find this small loudspeaker icon in the quick bar, from where we can apply a general hard mute to our entire system or remove any hard mutes currently present in the same system. Let's select hard mute off, and we can see that all the hard mutes previously created have been turned off at the same time. The same can be done to mute the entire system, simply by selecting the option hard mute on. And there we go. These are the different mute adjustment options available in ArmoníaPlus.